They look beautiful from a distance, glowing, ancient, alive. But under that beauty lies destruction on a planetary scale. Because the truth is, volcanoes have ended the world before, and this is why they might do it again. Every year, around 50 volcanoes erupt across Earth. Most are small, barely making the news. But a few, the giants, sleep for centuries, storing unimaginable pressure beneath the surface. These are supervolcanoes, and when they wake, entire civilizations vanish. The last time a supervolcano erupted, humanity almost didn't survive. About 74,000 years ago in what is now Indonesia, Mount Toba exploded with a force 5,000 times stronger than the Hiroshima bomb. It ejected nearly 3,000 cubic kilometers of ash, enough to bury entire countries under meters of dust. That ash circled the globe, blocking sunlight for years. Temperatures dropped, crops failed, and humanity teetered on the brink. So, could it happen again? Absolutely. Yellowstone, a sleeping giant spanning 3 states, is still alive beneath our feet. If it woke, it could hurl ash and sulfur high into the sky, tipping us into a volcanic winter. Temperatures fall, skies darken, the planet holds its breath. Crops would die, famine would spread, air travel would collapse, and fragile supply chains could unravel in months. But Yellowstone isn't the only threat. The field is global. There are over 20 supervolcanoes. Italy, Japan, Indonesia, New Zealand, even undersea. Some slowly inflate. Gases and tremors rise. Others may be overdue. Volcanoes ignore our schedules. And today the ingredients for disaster are in place. When a supervolcano erupts, it's not the blast you fear most. It's the aftermath. Ash can shroud the globe, dimming the sun for years, warping weather and collapsing ecosystems. Sulfur aerosols reflect sunlight back into space, driving temperatures down and triggering mass crop failures. This volcanic winter can last for decades. In 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia erupted, plunging the world into what became known as the Year Without a Summer. As expected, ash dimmed the sun. Crops failed across Europe and North America. Snow fell in July. Millions went hungry. And Tambora was small compared to Yellowstone or Toba. Imagine an eruption 100 times larger and the damaging impact it could have. Some scientists believe supervolcanoes are part of Earth's natural reset cycle. Catastrophic pulses that, over millions of years, rebalance the planet. In a way, they act like an immune system, devastating in the moment, yet safeguarding life's long arc. They release carbon and minerals, reshape continents, and rewire climates. And from the ash, new ecosystems take root. Terrifying, yes, but also poetic. Creation and destruction intertwined. Today, satellites and mission control teams track volcanoes around the clock, from orbit to ground. Sensors read ground swelling, gases, and tremors, early warnings of pressure building. Yet we can't stop an eruption. We can only prepare, watch, and hope the Earth stays calm. The sky will darken, the air will choke, and humanity will once again be reminded that we're not in control. Volcanoes are a reminder of something bigger than us, the raw, unpredictable power of a living planet. They've created continents, fed the atmosphere, and shaped the oceans. But every act of creation comes with destruction. So, yes, volcanoes might end the world one day, but they'll also be the reason another one begins. And this is why volcanoes might end the world.